How successful you can be while restating your life insurance policy. Should you buy a new policy or keep the same? What happens to the premium you paid in the policy? By the way, do you have a chances to reinstate it or not? So today I'm going to answer lots of such questions, help you out if you are looking to reinstate the policy. Should you consider reinstating your policy or not? All right, start. There are many reasons. Some people forget to pay out, some people feel that they cannot pay anymore, or some people at some stage realize, no, this policy is no longer for me, and they stop paying. The policy goes into the lapse mode. Not all the policies can be reinstated. Topmost reason you should know that why it makes sense to reinstate the policy. Your premium is no longer the same, that's my guarantee. If you're looking exactly same benefits, same policy, but you are buying a new one, it does not make sense because your premium is already gone high. Health. Is your health still the same or your medical reports are favorable still? Then you can still look for a new policy. But if not, the reinstating previous policy make much more sense for you to buy rather than buying a new policy. Let's talk about the question. I'll take it from my note that this is the question which I noted down. So, my premium is increased after reinstating. Is it normal? Let me tell you, increase of premium is not that normal unless your advisor has made some changes in the policy, such as number of years was supposed to be paid, but you have extended the period or reduced the period, such as if you were to pay for next 10 years, but now you have finishing up all your future premium in 6 or 7 years, yes, your premium will be increased automatically. And the second reason of policy premium increase is the policy growth rate has been changed now. There must be some changes done in your policy. That is the only reason your policy premium is changed. Unless those changes has been discussed with you and you agreed to those changes, then it's okay. What happens to the premium you paid? Well, if you had a term policy, obviously there's no question what happens to you paid, it's gone. But if it was a whole of life policy, it might have accumulated a decent cash values which has actually helped the policy survive for so long for you while you were not paying for it. And you might have some cash left in the policy which is covering you for some more time. So you should know the cash surrender value of your policy. What if I encash the policy now and walk away? Is it doable? This is very much doable, but most of the time you lose a lot of money. What you have paid for 5, 7 or 10 years, and if you are coming out of the contract, middle of the policy, you are going to lose a lot of money. You can always ask for surrender values again and check, does it really make sense for you to walk away from the policy? You can. Yes, if you have a larger policy already on place and you feel this is no longer relevant cover, no longer relevant policy for you, it's easy to walk away. Yes, you can take your own decision based on the policy losses which you're going to accept it. How easy to reinstate the policy? This is pretty easy to reinstate your policy as simple procedure. You can reach out to your advisor, previous one or a new one, or you can also reach out to insurance company directly and request them for the reinstatement procedure. They will send you some application form and they'll send you the choices. You have not paid your premium from last 2 years, but you're still willing to continue the policy now. What happens? Is it doable? You can pay the last 2 years premium and continue paying the future premium. That's the one choice. But it comes as like a large cost because paying for 2 years premium sometimes may be a hit on your pocket. You also have a choice that if you don't want to cover up the previous premium and you want to continue future premium, you can extend the policy period and you can continue same premium as well. I would also like to cover some important information that term insurance policies are not easily reinstatable. As I mentioned before, it is having some condition and you cannot reinstate term insurance policies if you have passed some time. If your policy is under the initial period, which is usually the first 2 years of the policy, but it may change depending on your policy, it is mentioned in your policy. So based on the initial premium, if you stop paying in between the initial premium, then yes, you have to cover up the missed premium no matter what. And as I promised, before I walk out, I'll just give you the tip that how you can save your policy to go in the lapse condition. Especially in this time, a lot of people have lost their jobs, their businesses are not doing good, and some maybe simply stop paying in the policy, which is not something wise to do that. By the way, you have a choice to ask the insurance company to give you the premium holidays, depending how old is your policy and how much is the cash value lying in a policy. Based on that, you can choose to go for a premium holiday. Also, second thing which you can also consider is reduction of your premium. You might be paying $1,000 a month before, which was comfortable to you at one time, but now is the time which you cannot pay $1,000 anymore. You can request to your advisor or insurance company. Your pocket allows you to now pay only $600 or $700 or maybe just $400. They might come up with the option to you by bringing down your cover, which can be still useful. It's always better to have something rather than nothing on the place. Hope this information is useful and it's empowering you to take your own decisions. Subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, I'll be continue sharing the insights on insurance to empower you.